Alright, yes sir, Rise and Grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, in this video we got a 2014 Infiniti Q60. It's a two-door. We're doing the battery, swapping out the battery on it. Alright, customer provided these parts. We're gonna go ahead and knock this out. Gotta get up under here, get this battery shroud off. Get up under here and get this battery out. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Went ahead and took off that cover right there. All right, I got one. I took them out already. It's 1, 2, 3. 3 of those clips there. You can pull this out. All right. Then we got another one that's covering it. Gotta remove it. It's supposed to be a clip here. It's already above it. Another one over here. Already up. So once you get those out, you come over here to the right. Got this little lever right here. So that'll be back there. You just pull this up and pull this lock right now. You need both hands. Up. There we go. Pull that out. Move that to the side. And there we go. We got the battery. Good old corrosion. I'll take out this 10 mil should be there. And remove that bracket. And 10 mils to remove the cables. Man, it's so corroded and it's loose here. I'm gonna have to clean these terminals with some battery cleaner and get it going. That's a lot of corrosion. So now we should be able to pull this out. Don't have a handle, so I'm gonna have to get down there. Man, that was tough. With no handle, boy, that's gonna be a bitch getting out of there. And it's been leaking too. So yeah, go ahead and get this cleaned up real quick. I'm gonna swap the battery out. Clean it out some. Sprayed it down with some brake cleaner, wiped it out. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the terminals with this here, battery cleaner. Spray that down. Gonna clean that off. Let that sit for a minute. Went ahead and set that battery in there. Alright, we're gonna get put that there. Go ahead and put the grease on and those there. So I'm gonna just put the grease around it on both of them. Alright, we put them on, negative, positive. Put those on first, and then we got that grease supposed to keep it from corroding or whatever. So put our terminals on, tighten that bolt up because that was definitely loose. It's still loose. Tighten that up. All right, we tighten that bolt down. That was turn it to a 12 mil. And we're gonna go ahead and spray this down. This here. All right, that's gonna keep the corrosion down. All right, you try to clean that bracket off some. All right, now that hook, it's gonna go in there like that. You want to hook down here in the back, get up in there, and then tighten it down. So that end, that's in there, but this one didn't have anything on this side. It just was stuck on here, corroded. But that's where that other one goes, down there. It hooks onto that. But I don't see the other piece, so there you have it. Put this back together. Alright, that's gonna be it. Alright, so I hope the video helped out. Until next time, pull up, King.